most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schroep, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We are the
therapist.
most famous physical therapists on the internet.
And our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to show you a 3-minute foam roller routine that everyone should do. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. What do you think the giveaway is?
The foam roller.
Yeah,
of
by the
course.
way, if you are new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us because we provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. And yes, we are always doing a giveaway, a weekly giveaway. We're giving away 3 of these blue ones, I believe, from OPTP.
There you go.
Great organization. Go to bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section, or go to Bob and Brad on Facebook. We'll have it pinned to the top of the page. Now, when I say everyone, Brad, I mean the majority of people.
Sure.
And 3 to 5 times a week, you can do this. It's going to help with your muscle pliability. If you're younger, it's going to help in your athletics and your posture.
Sure.
If you're older, it's going to help you actually prevent pain.
Right.
Or even lessen pain by stretching out the joints. And also, it's going to help your posture too.
I got a story of a gentleman, 60 years old. He just started running. He's going to run a half marathon. He started in February, and he's progressing well. Yeah, he's doing very well.
That's amazing.
He started to get back pain, and he's got some posture issues too. And he started foam rolling, and he said it just took it away. He says it's unbelievable. He couldn't believe it. So they work well.
Yeah, and that's the one we're going to start. We're going to start with posture, and we're going to end with posture. The first one we're going to do is the mid back. We're not going to do the low back because the low back actually jams the joints together and it's not comfortable.
Although we're going to talk about that.
We're going to show an alternative next week.
Special edition.
So mid back, Brad is going to show it from the side. I'll show it from straight on. I guess that doesn't work very well, but it'll work.
We'll call it the sagittal plane. It sounds technical.
All right.
Now, mine is black. It's a little bit more dense than the blue one.
Yeah, this is a softer, less dense one.
Right. Other than that, they're identical. We're going to do the mid back?
Yeah, we're doing mid back, and I absolutely do this one every time before I go for a run.
Oh my
goodness.
Yep,
you just work, and it's kind of reversing that hump.
Well, I tell you what, Bob, I just got about 4 cracks just happened all at once I start rolling, right at about T10 and T11. Maybe T12.
So you're going to do this one for about 30 seconds. It's a great one to do. You can maybe do it even a little less. You can cut the 3 minute down to 2.5 minutes or so. But all right, we're moving on, Brad.
Feels good, Bob. I mean, just having fun. Can you just relax a little bit?
Next one is, I'm going to keep moving. The next one is really great for the hip. I'll tell you, this one has been fantastic for me. I think one keeps my hips stretched out. But if you're getting hip pain, I would absolutely try this.
Yeah, works those hip flexors, right?
Yeah, and I do just one at a time.
Okay.
And so you're going to actually roll onto it like this.
Yep.
And you're going to have to probably show from the side here, Brad.
Sure.
And you can, depending on how you roll, if you go, more onto your side or more this way, you can hit different parts of it. But you can go down into the quad even a little bit too.
Yep.
So Brad's taking it down further and further.
And I'm actually going to go over a little bit.
Off to the side even a little bit.
And you can do that. You go where you'll know when you get on a tight spot, you're going to feel it. Sometimes it's a painful thing, but it hurts so good. And as you do it longer, it feels better, and you can tell it is relaxing it.
Now you can see why we don't do both at the same time because our package would be getting in the way, right?
Well, yeah, and it just you can't zero in on that muscle. I didn't know you had a package.
I'm not.
It's a family show.
Yeah, okay, 15 seconds on each side. I'm not going to do this side because I have my microphone on this side.
Right.
So we'll just tell you to go ahead and do it 15 seconds on each side.
Yep.
Again, go down to the all the way down into the quad.
All
right, next one, hamstring.
Oh, yeah.
What's nice about the hamstring is you can actually do both of them at the same time. So you can go ahead and do it for 30 seconds and catch both of them. So this is, again, a great way to work and get a little pliability in the hamstrings.
Now, if you do want to get more aggressive, you'll probably have to do one at a time, and then it will add more pressure. You'll definitely feel it more.
Yeah,
but
good point, Brad. If you really want to work it, you can do a little bit of both. You can start off with both, and then finish up doing a little bit of unilateral.
Precisely.
All right, and then what's nice about it, you can jump right down into the calf.
Yep.
And you can do the same thing with those. You can work them both at the same time. Again, we got 30 seconds allocated towards this.
Oh, yes. And this one you can do one at a time, but that really gets pretty aggressive.
Yeah, but it's actually a great way to, this is a lot of those weekend athletes can tear the hamstrings and tear the gastroc soleus or the calf muscles. So this is a great one to do before that softball game when you know you're going to be sprinting towards first base after you lay down that bunt.
Yeah.
Right. So, okay, next one, Brad. The final one is we started with posture. We're going to finish with posture. You're going to go ahead and you're going to go ahead and show this one where you'll just lay along the length of it.
Yeah.
This is just a great passive stretch that it's relaxing, and it's a great one you're going to stretch the back, but you're also stretching the pectoralis major. Yeah. It's a great postural one just to finish up the day, and start thinking about, what do I have left to do?
Yeah. This one really feels good also on my sacrum and low back. There's some pressure on there, and that's going to vary from person to person. But I'll have patients to do this when I'll do the thoracic. I always have them do this and say, seeing how you're there, you might as well work on it. It's easy, it's comfortable, and it's, you spend a few minutes here.
And it's a great time to also do some deep breathing.
Precisely.
You can go ahead and breathe in through the nose.
Diaphragmatic.
Out through the mouth. Yep. And you're doing purse breathing when you breathe out. And this is a great way to relax and maybe do a little meditation too.
Yes. Are we almost done, Buzz?
Yeah. Okay. Remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything.
Except for
a broken heart.
I'm going to catch it with my foot.
All right. There it is.
There it is.
Yep.